Hello and welcome to the new video lesson of our course, and in this lesson we learn that how you can add a footer and customize it according to your needs. Now first of all, let's open our website in a new tab to get a brief look of what we have done so far. Now here, as you can see, we have added the logo, favicon, we have added the header, and we already created all the sections of our website, and I taught you in the how to create your home page video. Now you can see that this black part at the bottom is left, and this is the part which is known as footer, and you can customize it according to your needs, and different things can be added to the footer. Now to customize a footer, what you have to do is you have to go to your dashboard and you have to go to appearance and widgets. And when you open widgets, you will see footer 1, footer 2, footer 3 and footer 4 options. And let me explain you how these work. Now here, as you can see, your footer 1, footer 2, footer 3 and footer 4 options are available. And yes, now you can see a lot of widgets which are available here. Now let's assume that you want to show your contact info in this footer 1 option. Then what you have to do is you have to just click on this drop down, and then you have to click on which footer side you want to add it. So you can see that the footer is divided into 4 sections. Like you can say 1/4 of the footer is footer 1, and the same goes for all the 4 footers. Now I want to add my contact info to footer 1, and I've selected it and I'll hit add widget. And here you can see it has been added, and you can see all your address, and you can just go ahead and customize it according to your needs, and let's just hit done. Now you can see it has been updated here, and let's go and reload our website and see that what changes have been done. And here our page has been reloaded, and let's go to the bottom and you can see your contact info in your footer. So I won't recommend you to keep your footer so long, but if you want, there's not a problem in that. And you can go to your widgets again, and let's say that we want to remove this phone option here. And to do that, what we will do is we have to just go to this phone option, and you can just remove all the text here and then hit save below. And when you hit done, you can go ahead and reload your website. And here you can see that the phone option has been removed. And if you want to remove any other section or add text there, you can go ahead and definitely do that. Also, you can add links, direct links to your phone number, your store, your contact ID and whatever things are there. Now let's go to the footer 2, and let's add some social icons to our second footer. So I'll just hit social icons, I'll select footer 2 and then I'll add widget. And here you can select all your background color, your background hover color and your color of all your social links. And here you can go ahead and create your Twitter accounts. You can come and paste all the links here. And then you should hit done. Let's go ahead and reload the page. And it has been reloaded. Let's come down. Here you can see that nothing shows up, but you can see this follow-up option, and nothing shows up because we haven't yet put the links yet. But if you put the links once, all your links with their logos would be shown. Like let me just give you an example. If you search for Twitter, and let's go to a random page and copy its URL and let's paste it here, and then select save. It will load for a while and then you can hit done. You can go ahead and reload it again. And now you will see your Twitter icon here. Yes, and when somebody clicks on it, they will be redirected to your Twitter handle. And like that, here are many different social media icons which you can use for your purpose. Now let's go ahead to the footer 3 and let's add something interesting here, which is your product search option. And people could go to your footer and search for the product they want from there, which is a good option in my opinion. And then you can just go and add it to footer 3. You can give it a title of whatever you want, search for products, and then you can hit save. You can come to your website, you can reload it, and then you can see this search for products option. Don't worry, you will be thinking that why the text and the background isn't looking very good, and we'll just go ahead and customize it later. Now let's come back and add a footer 4. And it would be my suggestion to everyone here that you shouldn't ever use this Facebook like box option, because it just fetches the live likes from your Facebook page and increases the page loading time. And you should try to keep your page loading time as less as possible. And you know guys, most people also don't come to your footer, so there's no meaning of adding a Facebook like box. Now for the footer 4, what you can do is you can add about me or a contact info widget. I'll just go ahead and add an about me widget. I'll add widget. You can add all your names and all your social links if you want. We have already given that. Now let's hit done and let's go to our website. When you reload it, you will see that now your footer looks really good. And now let's go ahead and customize this font, this color, and the font here too. You should now just hit customize and a new tab will open on the side, as I already showed it to you in the previous video. And you can see now it has opened, and now you have to come to this footer widgets option. You should just scroll down to see your footer widgets, and then you can select fixed footer if you want, but I won't recommend it to you. And let's say that you have added only 3 footers to your website, so here in the columns you would have to change it to 3, but now as we have 4, it doesn't make any sense. You can go ahead and change the background color to F9, 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 and it's a really great color for a footer. Now you can see a footer color has been changed, and let's go ahead and change the text color to black, change the border color to black, and yes, change the link color to black too. And then you can just hit publish. Now you should come back and then you should go to footer bottom, and the bottom of the footer is this part where it says copyright 2020 Ocean WP theme by Nick, and you should just go ahead and change this second part after the hyphen. You should go and write something like made by Nick or made by whatever your name is. Now you would be wanting the text color to be white as your background is black. Now let's go ahead, hit publish and come back, and now let's customize the font style. Now you should just click on typography and you should go to body, and then let's make the font family to Montserrat. And as you can see here, I'll select Montserrat and you can see the font text has now been changed. We can give a bit of a weight and make it normal or a bit more than normal. And yes, now it looks good. You can go ahead and make the font size bigger if you want and make the text black. Now you should go ahead and hit publish. After publishing, you should come back to this main menu option and then you should go and make it Montserrat again. Now you should make the weight to whatever you like, but right now we don't need any weight for that, and let's make the letter spacing to 0.7 and let's hit publish. Now come back and come down and then you'll see the footer widget heading option. Here you can see a footer widget heading aren't being displayed. So this problem is coming because the footer heading is selected to be of white color, and we can go ahead and change it to our color, which is black. We can make it bigger to around 14 pixels. We can make the font family to Montserrat if you want, and then you can also add a bit of weight and make it semi bold, but I'll not do that right now, and let's just go ahead and hit publish. So this was it for this part. In the next part, what we are going to do is we are going to customize the product pages in WooCommerce, and we'll be making some color changes and we'll be styling our sections. So I'll meet you in the next video.